Welcome to SAP Agile Data Preparation. This video will show you how to create a rule on a worksheet and see the records that fail the rule. Go to the worksheet where you want to create a rule and click the rules icon. Select the worksheet key that uniquely identifies each record. In this example, we'll use the ID column. To add a rule, click the plus sign. Suppose your business rule is customer records must have values in the state, city, and zip code columns. Enter a rule name and a description that records fail if any of these columns are null. So, for record expectation, change the setting to fail records that verify or comply with this rule. Let's use text to create this rule. Specify a conditional expression for each column. Start with state. Select is equal to from the suggestion list of operators and specify null. Use or between each condition because you want the record to fail if any of the three columns are null. Next, define the condition for city. You can use the equal symbol instead of selecting from the list. Similarly, define the rule expression for zip code. Click anywhere outside of the text line to validate the rule expressions and enable the Save button. Save the rule and run it. The tile for this rule shows 31 records failed, which is 9% of the records. To see which records failed, define a rules filter on your worksheet and select your rule name. The worksheet by default shows the records that passed. Change the filter to failed records to see the records with null values in state, city, or zip code. You have now created a rule on your worksheet, ran it, and looked at the records that failed this rule.